Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is Morning Forex Report for Monday, October 24, 2022. I had a nice long weekend. Thank you, Adam, for covering on Friday solo without me on Friday, but was with family and enjoyed the weekend. I hope you enjoyed your weekend. Taking a look at some of the technicals that are moving the markets. Let's start with the euro versus US dollar. Looking at this currency pair, we did find support in the London morning session right near the 100-hour moving average and this swing area. The swing area has a number of lows and highs where the market came in and found either resistance or support against this area through here. And as a result, we did see some interest here in trading at the buy side against that area and also against the 100-hour moving average, and the price moved back to the upside. Now on the top side, we have this 61.8% retracement, which is in play, and that level held resistance here and here. We did move higher in the Asian session and above a topside swing area through here. If we go back in time, go back all the way through here, we did find some support against that level and then reestablish that level as a resistance level through here in last week's trading. And again, this in the Asian session, we moved above it, should have stayed above it, could not do that, moved back below it, and then reestablished the level as resistance. So this is the topside resistance, first at the 61.8, then up to 0.9877. On the downside, we have the 50% of the October trading range, followed by the 100-hour moving average and the low of this swing area down to 0.98056. The trading decisions, or what the market is looking for, either a break above this area through here or a break below this area through here, getting below the 200-hour moving average as well. In the process, that's the green line in this chart. Let's take a look at the dollar versus yen. We did get some intervention in the dollar versus yen today, which moved the price sharply to the downside. This was the high, and then moved down all the way down to around the 145.45 level before snapping back higher and moving close to the 100-hour moving average. That's the blue line in this chart that comes in at 149.53. And we found market found some sellers against that level on the sharp rebound to the upside. Currently trading between the 100-hour moving average and the 200-hour moving average. That's this area through here. We did dip below it through here and off the selling off of the 100-hour moving average, but rebounded back into that area. So this area is going to be a key resistance or key level that the market's either going to have to break to the upside or move to the downside on the next shove. Right now, as you can see, the market is trading right in between those two extremes with the 100-hour moving average above and the 200-hour moving average below. Let's take a look at the sterling versus US dollar. And on this currency pair, like the euro versus US dollar in the early Asian session, we moved higher and we broke above a swing area. If we go back in time, you can see this yellow area, all these instances where the price came into that area and found either resistance or support against the area, reestablished it here. Moved above it in trading last week through here, and again today, but could not sustain and came up to the level here and fell off back down toward the 100 and 200-hour moving averages through here. The inability to move below those levels keeps the buyers somewhat in control above the 100 and 200-hour moving average. We're going to need to get above the 113.50 level to the 113.83 level on the top side to increase the bullish bias and stay above those levels. Not like this, not like this, and not like this. Need to get and stay above the level and then work toward the 114.59 and 114.95 level on the top side. Finally, let's take a look at the dollar versus Canada, this currency pair. Up there we go. If we look at the 100 and 200-hour moving average, the price moved up into that area here on the rebound. Like in the euro and this pound versus US dollar, we did open with the dollar weaker initially, moving down below the swing area through here with a low of 136.37, but the rebound higher came back up to the 100 and 200-hour moving average, and the price could not get through the 200-hour moving average. It did get through the 100-hour moving average, but not through the 200-hour moving average. In the new trading day, if the price is going to move higher, we need to get and stay above not only the 100 but the 200. That would increase the bullish bias. Until then, the bias is still more to the downside here, despite the rally off of the levels here today. So we'll give the sellers at least the benefit of the doubt that they're holding on to resistance after the rebound higher today off the low, Asian session low, and the sharp decline from Friday's trade. So there you have a look at some of the major currency pairs from a technical perspective to start your trading week. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye.